Have you ever wondered how we can better protect the world's most breathtaking landscapes? National parks are the soul of our planet, vibrant, untouched, and teeming with life. Today, we're exploring how cloud-based mapping platforms like MAPOG are changing the game, helping us visualize and protect these incredible ecosystems with unprecedented ease. Let's dive in. Head over to story.mapog.com, start by select Add Story, and name it something that sparks adventure. Add the number of travel days and a description that captures the essence of your journey to these awe-inspiring parks. Now, with MAPOG, creating a powerful map is simple. Add point by selecting Add Story, select Feature manually, label it National Park, and include essential details like animals found. Then, save your progress and let the story unfold. Next, customize your map to highlight each character. Use different colors and symbols to represent different ecosystems, conservation efforts, or park sizes. When you click on each park, you'll see vital information, like the creatures that call it home and the environmental impact we're striving to protect. This isn't just mapping, it's storytelling, a journey into the heart of nature, helping you and others better understand the precious lands we're working so hard to preserve. Once your map is complete, share it using the Publish and Share option. Use it to educate, inspire, and encourage sustainable tourism, empowering future generations to protect our natural heritage. MAPOG is more than just a tool. It's a key to unlocking a future where we protect our planet's wonders, one map at a time. Ready to build your own adventure map and make an impact? Reach out to us at support@mapog.com for expert guidance, resources, and tutorials. And before you go, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more GIS-powered journeys into the heart of nature.